So what's up guys, welcome back to Baron the Musical. We are still on Sound Prince Musical Equipment. Don't forget, I'm Baron the Musical. Feel the sound you hear, that's what I'm known for. So this is SP12. Some say it is mid-range, some say it's hanging speaker. But this speaker can serve as many purposes. You can use it for outdoor and indoor as well. You can use it on your VIP lounge. Once you can hang it. So we're going to show you example. This plywood, and plywood they're also known for what? They're also known for speakers. And we're going to show you how this speaker is waterproof, 100% waterproof. So watch and see.